In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download code from Lovable AI. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go in the interface and how to safely grab the file you need without pulling the entire project. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Lovable dashboard. If you aren't already signed in, log in so you land on the home view. This is your central hub, and it's the best place to jump into any project. Give the page a second to load fully so all menus and panels are visible. Next, look for the All Projects option. Click it to open the complete list of projects you have access to. This view shows everything, not just your recent items. If you're working across multiple teams or workspaces, the All Projects view helps you avoid grabbing the wrong code. Use search or filters if the list is long, and make sure you're in the right workspace before proceeding. Now, choose the specific project you want. Click on the project card or name to open it. Take a quick moment to confirm you're in the correct place by checking the project title and any recent activity you expect to see. This saves time and prevents downloading code from a similarly named project. Inside the project, switch to the Code section. Click the tab labeled Code to open the editor and file tree. This view shows your folders and files on the left and file contents on the right. If the editor takes a moment to load, wait until the file list fully appears so you can select the right item. When the code view is ready, click Download File. This action downloads the currently selected file to your device. If nothing happens, make sure you've clicked a specific file in the file tree first. The download button works on a per file basis, so highlight the exact file you want, confirm you see its contents in the editor, and then download. After clicking, your browser will save the file to its default download location. If you don't see it immediately, check your downloads bar or your designated downloads folder. The file name will match what you selected in the project, and it will preserve the original extension, which is useful for opening it later in your preferred editor. If the download file button looks disabled, select a file in the tree. If it's missing entirely, refresh the page, confirm you're on the Code tab, and verify your account has permission to access project code. Also check that your browser isn't blocking downloads. To recap, go to your Lovable dashboard, open all projects, select your project, switch to code, and click Download File on the file you want. That's all you need to quickly and reliably download code from Lovable AI.